This Bakelite knob is made of high-quality phenolic resin, beautiful appearance and excellent quality. The flower head knob is very smooth and very suitable for gripping. Beautiful and practical, safe. Widely used in lathe machinery, mechanical equipment, instruments and industrial equipment. It can also be installed at the bottom of furniture to enhance stability, prevent scratches or noise. Formal inspection, neat threads, product threads are up to the international standard requirements. We can offer different diameter sizes of knobs in different shapes, many screw length available. We also offer customization service according to your samples or drawings.